online jobs para do sa mga walang experience. Let's go. I always get this question na pwede bang mag-start na mag-work from home as a virtual assistant kung wala kang experience? Quick answer is yes. Lahat ng nakikita ninyo na freelancers, virtual assistant, lahat yan nagsimula nang wala silang experience mag-work virtually. So saan nga ba at paano nga ba magsimula? The very first question, and this is something that's, quite unique siguro for me versus other people, because other people would tell you, find your niche, hanapin mo kang ganito, ganyan. Ako, ang inahanap ko muna, sinisimulan ko muna is internally. I always ask, ano ang kaya mong gawin sa computer gamit ang internet? Now, this would be kind of hard. It might sound easy, but it's kind of hard to find or figure out ano nga ba yung mga kaya mong gawin na pwede mong i-offer as a service. To make it easier, here is a list of services that you can offer as a virtual assistant, and you can just screenshot this. I'll probably try and reply din via comments yung photo. I'm not even sure if it's gonna work, but it's gonna be there. Comment nyo na lang, list of services you can offer as a freelancer or whatnot. Once you know kung ano na yung kaya mong gawin, ang next na kasunod na gawin, ang next na i-figure out mo is ano yung gusto mong pag-aralan. So, meron kang alam gawin at meron kang gustong pag-aralan. Meron kang point A, meron kang point B, saan ka papunta.